With over 50,000 injuries per year, the table saw is among the most dangerous tools in the workshop. Microjig introduces the Gripper 3D Pushblock, protecting your hands and preventing kickback like never before. The Gripper gives you 3 essential forces for precision, control, and safety when working on a table saw. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly down on the table, virtually eliminating kickback. Inward pressure keeps your workpiece tight against the fence to avoid burning. Forward pressure to advance your workpiece while keeping your hands safe and clear of the blade. Its powerful proprietary green grip gives you incredible traction and control of your workpiece, with the ease and accuracy that traditional push sticks and push pads just can't achieve. The Gripper is so much more than meets the eye. There are over 30 unique applications for the Gripper throughout your entire shop. Its applications are boundless, offering more options and unparalleled safety. The center leg adjusts to create a tunnel, allowing the Gripper to pass directly over the blade, giving you consistent motion and stability for the entire length of the cut and shielding your hand from the blade. The balance support stabilizes your workpiece by maintaining even downward pressure, which is crucial when making very narrow cuts. Arguably one of the most dangerous cuts to make, the Gripper makes it safe and easy. The Gripper is incredibly easy to use. Simply put it on your workpiece, slide it up against the fence, and while maintaining contact, push it along the fence to make your cut. Its versatility, simplicity, and unique safety features make the Gripper the best push block in the world. Visit microjig.com now to find a local dealer near you or buy online today. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.
What's going on, everybody? I am here today to tell you guys a little bit about this awesome dust mask from Basecamp. Let's get right into the contents of what comes in the package. So go ahead and pull out the filter here. Comes with a little instruction card, and then it tells you where you can order replacement filters. So looking at the dust mask itself here, the filter is really easy to remove. I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that. You'll notice these little valves here on the inside. These black valves just screw off the back side. They have little diagrams for open and close. You just unscrew that, and then the front valve will come right off. And you do the same thing to the other side. Just give it one, about quarter to half turn. The other front valve will come off. And then your complete filter is removable. That allows you to change the filter whenever you need to. You'll notice on the package that it does state that one filter lasts about 69 hours. Now that's going to of course depend on how heavy of a use you're going to be using the filter. These are N99 filters. The N means that it is non-oil based, and the 99 references that it does filter out 99% of all particles that are greater than 0.3 microns in size. So you'll want to use this dust mask in cases like paintball, airsoft, anytime you are in very dusty climates, conditions, possibly mowing the yard, riding bikes, snowboarding, mountain climbing, horseback riding, just numerous uses where you would be in outside conditions and in any sort of environment where you're going to be faced to dust particles getting into your lungs. You want to be wearing this to filter those out. And then putting the filter back in is very simple, just the reverse of how I took that off. You'll notice once you line the filter up, you will get holes here, and you'll just put the valve on the back side, and then you'll just take the front valve, you'll line up the little tabs on there, give it a twist, and repeat the same to the other side, and we have it back together. Whenever you breathe in, you're actually taking in air through these slots here, being filtered on the inside by the filter itself, and then when you breathe out, You're actually breathing out through the valves. That allows all the carbon dioxide and all the heat to go out through the valves. So this dust mask does just come in one size, but you'll notice here it's pretty uniform fit because you have quite a bit of room here with the length of Velcro on the back side. So one important piece whenever you're putting this on are these large holes. You want your ear to go inside of the holes. That allows you, in case the Velcro would have come undone, this is going to get caught on the back side of your ear and stay in place. So you just simply take this, put your ear through each hole, like so. Secure it in back with the Velcro, give the nose piece a good firm squeeze, and you're set. If the filter would come with any sort of odor from the manufacturing process, just put this in some warm water with some soap or laundry detergent and let it set in there for a little bit, or put it outside on a bright sunny day. Let the sun take some of the fumes out of it. During regular use, if the exterior, the frame itself, gets dirty or maybe sweaty from outside physical activities, the same thing. Just use some warm water and some soap on this and it'll clean right up, good as new. The Basecamp dust mask is a very budget friendly, very effective way to keep harmful particles out of your lungs. If you want to stay as safe and healthy as possible during your outside activities, I would highly suggest you pick up one of these Basecamp dust masks.
bits cutting depth and route grooves to experience the full range of functionality and versatility of the Dovetail clamps and Dovetail hardware. Satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter today with the MatchFit Dovetail Clamp Pro. Microjig. Work safer, work smarter.